Hello everyone, this is Mike. I'm here to give you a quick tutorial today on how to buy Hex and earn interest on staking. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you open up your Chrome browser and go to metamask.io. Once you're on this page, you're going to click on the Download Now button. That takes you over to this page here where you can click on Chrome, iOS, or Android. I'm installing the Chrome extension, so I'm clicking on Chrome, scrolling down and clicking on Install MetaMask for Chrome. Now, once you are going through this procedure, you want to make sure that you jot down your keywords on a notepad and keep it in a very safe place, because if these get stolen, then your wallet is jeopardized and you will never be able to get your money back ever again. So please make sure you log your seed words and keep them in a safe. Definitely keep them where nobody is going to find them. Once you have finished installing MetaMask, go over to hexlobby.com and make sure that you click on this Add to MetaMask orange button, and a little screen pops up and you click Add Token. What that's going to do is it's going to ensure that you have the Hex token installed on MetaMask. And there it is. Your next step is going to be to acquire ETH. You can do that on Coinbase or Binance. I'm going to leave the links below so that you can open up an account on Coinbase or Binance. If you already have some Ethereum, what you want to do is you want to send it to your MetaMask. And in order to do that, click on the orange little fox again, and at the top, click this Ethereum address and copy it to the clipboard. And then you're going to go over to your Coinbase or Binance account and click on the withdraw button. And in the recipient field, you're going to paste in the address that you just copied. So once you have Ethereum inside of your MetaMask, you're going to click on the enter button here, enter in the amount of Ethereum that you want to use to buy Hex. Then you're going to click on enter. And the MetaMask screen pops up again, and you're going to click on confirm. So now that you have entered the lobby, what you're going to do is wait for this timer to reach 0. This enter button is going to disappear. It will be replaced with an exit button. And you want to make sure that you click on that exit button, because if you don't, you will not mint your Hex. You must click on the exit button that mints your Hex, and then you will be able to stake it and earn interest. Once you have exited, what you're going to want to do is click on the stake button. Then you enter in the amount of Hex that you're going to stake. For example, 10,000 Hex. You want to make sure that your stake ends after November 19th, because that's going to ensure that you get your big payday bonus. So once you have selected these options here, click on stake, and a screen will pop up. You click on confirm, and then tomorrow when the day closes and the timer reaches 0, your stake will be in progress and earning interest. I can give you a little tip. You will earn a huge bonus, 10% extra, if you stake 150 million Hex in one stake. That may sound like a lot to you, but when the price is under a penny, it's really not all that much. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. Consider using my referral link. I'll leave it in the description below. You'll get an extra 10% of Hex by doing so. I hope you have a good one. Take care, have a great day, and until next time.